We spent about 7K in a day. That's crazy. I love my cute dress. Cute decent dress. That's how I was dressed today to the mall. The mall is literally 6 minutes drive from the Cartier Marriott to the Merrick Park Mall. I don't know, it's like a mall, shops at the Merrick, whatever it is. So we just go back and this is what we got. Mainly I was supposed to go and get the perfume. I was supposed to go get the Baccarat and I ended up buying more stuff. Cat Geiger, I don't know even how to pronounce this. Cat London. It's my first time to see this brand name. I've never heard of it, but I saw the sandals and they were really cute. We're gonna do the unboxing together so you can see what I got. And I said, why not? And then I also got Tory burch. This was not supposed to be on the budget today. My main aim was supposed to go and pick the perfume because my man was supposed to get me that was supposed to be my Valentine's gift, because I remember he woke up early in the morning on Valentine's Day. He's like, okay, I'm gonna go get you your present, you know, I'll be back. I said, what are you gonna get me? We had to talk because, you know, I prefer to get something that I really like than just him. I know it's kind of good gesture for your man to go and get you what you like, but I would prefer, especially when I know he's gonna spend a lot of money on something, I would prefer to know so I can say, okay, go get it for me, or can I get something else? And then he said, well, I was just gonna get you a perfume since he knows the old one is almost finished. So he said, I just wanted to get you a perfume and then you can decide what else you wanted, but this was my gift to you. This is what I wanted to give to you. So I said, yeah, I love the perfume. Even if it's not Valentine's Day, you're still gonna get the perfume. So I wanted to go shopping. So we decided to go shopping, and then by the time we came back, it was already late, so we couldn't get time to go to the perfume store to get it. And I said, well, I'll just get it anytime, you know, because I had already got what I wanted and the perfume wasn't in that rush. So the next day, yesterday, but one, and then we never got to go there. We spent the whole day on a boat. So, he has a friend of his who has a boat, so he took us. We just literally spent the whole day just on a boat trying to go out. So today, even though I woke up late, I was like, I need to go get my perfume before, you know, he changes his mind. He's like, you already got you already got your Valentine's present. So that was supposed to be my Valentine's gift from him, even though I had to go and shop. So today I was like, I'm gonna go get it. And actually when he comes, because he's already out for training, he's doing training, so I said if he comes back from work, and then I'm just gonna surprise him and say, hey, look what I got, your gift that you wanted to get me. But too bad, when I was leaving, I think I was in a hurry. I forgot my wallet, and then when I had picked all my stuff that I wanted and I went to the counter to pay and I couldn't find my wallet. So I got worried. I thought, did somebody take my wallet from my bag? And then I started to panic. I called him and then he came to the room to check. He's like, yeah, you forgot your wallet here. And then we had to do the whole transaction on the phone. So he literally had to pay, even though I wanted to surprise him, so he already know. I told him, this is what I got this and that. Yeah, he was like, okay. So now let's do the unboxing today so I can show you what I got for Valentine's. Yeah. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So finally we get to unbox my Valentine's gift and let's do it. So some of the gifts, actually I just put everything here on the bed, but some of this big bag, this is mine and this is his, because my man had to buy himself also a pair of sneakers and t-shirt. So let's just open what belongs to me. Let's go. What should we start with? We'll start with the again. We already opened this. It was red, but we opened it. We wanted to use it. So this is a massager, and it's really good because he's used it, and it's really good. It comes with different, I don't know, how would you call these massages though. This is a charger, and it comes with different spare things. I don't know how you would call these. This, and it's really good. It comes with different accessories, so you can change from this to this to this to this. Yeah, it's a really good body massager. The next, we're gonna go with the shoes. This is my first time to hear about this brand called Geiger, London. We had to pick these sandals because I think they're cute, so they would be good for the beach. So these would be my beach sandals. I actually wore them, but I just had to put them in a box, so we'll just unbox them again. Yeah. And then next, Tory burch. It's also sandals, and I love black sandals because they're easier to match with any outfit that I wear. So I decided to go with black. Yeah. And then the next, we'll go with the Baccarat rouge. This was actually supposed to be my Valentine's gift. I was supposed to get this on Valentine's, and then we ended up going shopping, and by the time we came back to the hotel, it was late. So I decided to get it, the next day. Every lady should have a Baccarat rouge. I have one that is almost finished, but this is the X straight, and I had the X straight. This is the X straight, and the other one is the X straight, and the whatever. I'm gonna check and tell you. So I love this. Every time I use this perfume, I get a lot of compliments. So you might want to grab yourself a Baccarat. So it's been like almost, I got to know about this perfume maybe like 3 years ago, and I really love it. I really love it. So if I'm going out or special occasions, dinners, I always use this. I like this. Next, Fendi. The Fendi sandals. These are sandals. I love sandals because I love sneakers too. I love high heels, but I love to have cute sandals, and I love these. They can be adjustable here, to make it fit tight. If you want to make it tight, you can just adjust it, and the sole is pretty hard. Yeah, but it's comfortable because I had to try them on, and I think they're really good. They're really cute. Not just cute, but they are really cute. Oh. Ooh la la, look at these guys. I got myself sneakers in white. I wanted to get the black ones, but I think this is a really white, but it is comfortable too. I love this. These are his sneakers, so just open my own gifts. These are his, and then his t-shirt. And next, look what we got. This is the first gift that I picked. When we went shopping, he asked me, okay, you gotta pick, but don't pick a lot of stuff. So this was my first gift. We'll see what's in there. And this. Here. This is the receipt. And then this is for the jewelry that I got. It's actually, I got a bracelet, so I'll tell you since we're opening it up, I'll show you. And then I got some free perfume samples. That's it, and this is Cartier certificate. This is my first time to own a luxury jewelry brand. I've had some nice bracelets. My friend gave me a really cute, nice bracelet. I think it would, and it's loose, so I'm not so good at taking care of, you know, jewelries and stuff, expensive jewelries. I've lost my diamond earrings, diamond and ruby. I had a really cute, nice, like not really big earrings, but small like studs, and I lost them somewhere. I think I misplaced them because I have a lot of stuff, so I don't know where. Normally I would carry it in my handbag. I would take it with me everywhere, but then after all of a sudden I tried to look for it and I can't find it. So I'm not good at when it comes to, you know, wearing luxury stuff, either like jewelry. I'm not someone who goes crazy on buying any. I am so crazy when it comes to like buying shoes and, you know, clothes. I'm willing to spend a lot of money, but when it comes to jewelry, I'm not so good at taking care of it. So I can only spend on a watch, you know, and then so this is gonna be my first expensive jewelry. Yeah, Cartier. So you guys want to see what's inside? Move close. That's how it looks like. Maybe I'll come closer so we can take a look. There you go. I don't know if you can see it. It's a cute little bracelet, and I'm gonna go and put initials of my names here. I was supposed to do it at the shop. Lady said it takes about 4 weeks and they have to send it to New York and then bring it back here, and I'm only in Miami for a very short period of time, so I'm not just gonna come back here to get my jewelry. So since I live in New York, I said no, I'm just gonna buy the bracelet. We take it, and then when I get to New York, I'll just take it to the store and then put my initials there. That's what we got from Cartier. I don't know, that's how they pronounce it. And then guess what's in here? So guys, that's the end of the video, and I hope you subscribe, like, share and comment. And that was the end of the video. And if you would ask me what's my favorite thing that I got on my Valentines, I would say the bracelet, the Cartier bracelet. A huge thanks to my mom for spending all this on Valentine's Day. I think we spent about, if you would ask me how much we spent, that was a lot of money to spend on a day, but it's shopping. Once in a while, it's always good to spend money on yourself. One thing that I would think is not worth is the candle. The candle was about $214. That's the most expensive candle I've ever bought in my life. I bought really nice candles like the Baccarat candle. It smells good, and I think it's just $100. This was the most expensive candle I got. It was $200. I think we roughly spent about maybe like $60. The bracelet was $1,433. The pairs of sandals there, and a perfume was about $783. And then in Fendi we spent 4,000. Because all his stuff, his shoes were about like 1K, and then his t-shirt was 800. I wonder where I put the receipts. So this is the receipt for what? Let's see what's in here. So his t-shirt was 823, and that was the cheapest thing that we picked in Fendi. So we roughly spent about, I would say this was, my sneakers were about 900 something, 998, almost 1K. Sandals like 800 t-shirt, and then he got also sneakers which were about 1K. So we spent roughly about 7K in a day. That's crazy, but well, I'm all worth that. And I think we actually spent more than that, because the massager that we had already opened was, I got from Target. I think it was 400 or 300. Yeah. So we spent about 7,000 US dollars. And I hope we can do more unboxing videos. Bye. I already have 2 suitcases that are full. Now it looks like I have to buy another new suitcase. Well, anyway, thanks for watching my video. I hope to see you in my next video.